Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in the 2023 INFINITI QX60 Sensory. So the Sensory, it's the second highest trim level. The only one above this is the Autograph. You have the same engine as all the trims do. It's a 3.5 liter V6 with 295 horsepower. You have the 9-speed transmission. And yeah, so the Sensory is right before the Autograph, so it's pretty well equipped. You have massage seats, which is pretty cool. The Bose Performance Series sound system. You have ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel as well. I do like that massage function, it's pretty cool. You have personal, sport, standard, and eco. The gauges don't change when you change the mode, which I always thought was weird, because typically when you have a digital gauge cluster, if you change the mode, the gauges change. But yeah, that's an interesting little thing right there. AC controls all down here. I like this area, it looks pretty good. You have a wireless charging tray, where my phone is at right now. You have a 360-degree backup camera, pretty cool. And you have the Nissan/Infiniti gear shifter that you've seen a lot of their products. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity in this vehicle as well. Pretty easy to use screen. It's touchscreen, or you can use this rotary dial down here as you see me doing. This is the black interior. This is Hermosa blue, I believe. Exterior. Nice back seats. I like the Infiniti door sills. It's very spacious back here. You have heated rear seats as well, plus AC controls. And then you can also plug in like a wall outlet, which is really cool. I like that. It's so convenient. More cars need to implement that for rear passenger enjoyment and convenience. Good looking SUV. These are the wheels you get on the Sensory and the Autograph. The front end of these look really good. I like the grille. I like how it says Infiniti. I love the daytime running lights. It's a good looking SUV, and I think Infiniti did a good job when they redesigned this after the previous model had been out. That design had been out for over 10 years. So this is nice. And this has the QX60 Infiniti floor mats, if you can see there. Pretty nice, it's comfortable. Handling's decent as well. I mean, this car is not like all that fast or anything. I mean, it is a family luxury SUV, but it's not geared towards performance at all or anything. But it's comfortable to drive. It's pretty, I mean, for what it is, it's at least it's not a CVT. I love that it has a 9-speed and not a CVT. That's one thing I strongly disliked about the previous QX60. I think that was one of its biggest flaws, was CVT. But this has a nice 9-speed, which I think was a major improvement by Infiniti. I like the transmission, it's good. And the pickup, yeah, I mean, it's for what it is. It has more than enough get up and go. It'll accelerate when you want it to. For daily driving, you don't really need more than this, to be honest. And these are pretty popular. Infiniti customers are pretty loyal to the brand. And then like whenever this came out, everyone wanted it. All the Infiniti customers loved this thing and they wanted it. It's a nice SUV. I'm very excited to make some videos on the 2025 QX80 for test drives when those come out and start hitting dealers. Yeah, I mean, this is nice. Like, the seats are really comfortable. I love this massage function. My back's hurting right now, so this massage function was pretty nice to have. You know, I mean, like, for example, an MDX does not have massage seats unless if you get a Type S, or at least, actually, no, never mind. Now it does with the 2025 model, but you know, on the A-Spec Advanced and the Advanced package, but before they didn't have it. So I think, and it's nice how the QX60 has massage in the sensory and the autograph, the two high, not only just the highest trim. And it's cool how even the Lux has a 360 camera. You don't have to get a sensory to get a 360 cam. You can get it in a Lux, and you even get a heated steering wheel in a Lux, which is good. Yeah, this lane keep assist seems to be pretty, you know, aggressive. And you also have adaptive cruise control too. Hey, overall, I like the car. I think it looks good. I think it drives good. The features are good. Turning radius is good too. Yeah, this is foot to the floor. Engine sounds good. It's a naturally aspirated V6. Can't go wrong with that. I mean, if you want more horsepower, you'll have to get a QX80. The outgoing model, which has been around for many years, has 400 horsepower and a naturally aspirated V8, but the new 2025 it has a twin turbo V6 with I believe 450 horsepower or something like that, and I drove it. It's pretty darn quick. I wasn't able to get a video of it, but I drove the new QX80. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. The interior is beautiful. The drive is awesome. It's fast. The transmission was responsive. Like, I absolutely love the new QX80. I think Infiniti knocked it out of the park with that. So that's why I'm really excited to get some videos on the trim. I drove the Autograph, the demo model. I want to get some videos on the Pure, Lux, you know, sensory, all of them, and the Autograph. But yeah, I mean, if you want a QX60, it's nice. It gives you a lot of stuff that you might want. It's a good looking car. And I don't really see too many of these current generation QX60, outgoing generation QX60, to be honest with you. So it's pretty nice. It's pretty cool. Handling around a corner, not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. For this big of an SUV, it's not bad at all. Oh yeah, you also have a panoramic sunroof. Forgot to mention that. And your blind spot's in the mirrors instead of before where it was like in there on a lot of Nissan and Infiniti cars. So that's cool. Yeah, so let's just look through everything real quick. Menu, you can hit map if you want the factory navigation, hit camera and it'll take you to your 360 camera with dynamic guidelines. You also have a side view blind spot camera, which is cool if you're trying to get into a narrow parking spot or something like that. Pretty good visibility. The blind spots are good as well. Yeah, pretty good car. You can turn off your auto start stop here as well. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you learned something about the 2023 QX60 Sensory, please leave a like and comment below what you think of the car. And if you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.